Did you know that you can have access to almost everything a home offers while on the road? Yes, luxury RVs are spacious, cozy, and built from high-quality materials both inside and out. They offer comforts and features that are more typically seen in homes than campsites, like auto-configuring satellite dishes, heated flooring, and full-size appliances. Even though the majority of us will never be able to purchase one of these expensive RVs for ourselves, it is still interesting to see what they have to offer. Whether you're looking for alternative housing or a way to explore the outdoors with some homey comforts like AC and a decently sized bed, then these RVs should be on the top of your list. You can compare various designs and layouts, view particular features or technology, and perhaps even score a great deal. Ready? Let's leave. Number 10, 2023 Percept Prestige, $229,725. The Percept Prestige is one of Jayco's largest and most opulent Class A gas motorhomes. It comes with high-end amenities like standard full-body paint, glass-style backsplashes, solid surface counters throughout, and stainless steel appliances. Convenient amenities like the Thetford Sanicon Turbo macerator system make traveling more enjoyable by breaking down waste and handling the pump, so it's one less thing to think about while traveling. Number 9, 2023 Tiffin's Phaeton Motorhome, $417,461. The brand new 2023 Tiffin Phaeton is extravagantly furnished and comes with a plethora of high-end conveniences as standard features. It was created only for comfort and elegance, with a theater setting, a dinette for 4, next to a fireplace, a fully equipped kitchen, and a bedroom large enough for a king-sized bed, numerous cabinets, and a stackable washer and dryer. This Class A RV has luxurious amenities that will make you feel like you're staying in a 5-star hotel on wheels. The Phaeton continues to remain a customer favorite, so it makes sense each mile will be smooth thanks to the Powerglide chassis, which is both behind the wheel. Then, whether you're cooking, eating, or sleeping, you'll find cleverly designed details that turn every journey into a stylish adventure that leaves every step of the way unforgettable. Number 8, 2023 American Coach American Eagles, $804,999. This Class A diesel RV, model number 45E, offers a master bedroom with opposed slides and a couch sleeper with a full mattress in the Studio Bar Motion Power Lounge. It's a classy motorhome that you will be proud to own, with features like a kitchen island with an induction cooktop and wine chiller, a 4K television LED TV that can be hidden away when not in use, another one in the master suite, and many other beautiful and gorgeous inbuilt items for the comfort of the users. Number 7, 2023 Integra Anthem Luxury RV, $711,908. The 2023 Anthem Luxury Diesel Motorhome redefines what it means to travel in style. This Class A coach exudes the sensation of luxury meets home thanks to freshly designed premium leather crown compass furniture. It's equipped for the best RV experience in your life with extra conveniences like Girard Ultra power window awnings and twin roof-mounted 2-stage patio awnings. Setting up your campground has never been simpler thanks to a valid air leveling system and a 15-inch digital dash with an integrated 360-degree camera. Once you've heard the anthem, every trip after that will be more enjoyable. Number 6, 2023 Fleetwood RV Discovery RV, $349,995. The 2023 Fleetwood RV Discovery is one of the most sought-after luxury RVs in the world due to its excellent interior, which is both smart and well-designed. This vehicle was built to be both a powerhouse and a palace, and it was designed to conquer every highway while lavishing you with every luxury. With some much-welcomed changes that enhance bestseller perfection to the satisfaction of all customers, the 2023 Fleetwood Discovery upholds this legacy of serving as both a workhorse and vacation home. Number 5, 2023 Newmar Dutch Star 4081 Luxury RV, $722,688. With its new furniture styling and ornamental features, the 2023 model of the Newmar Dutch Star 4081 waves the line of high-class, luxurious diesel pusher. It has a unique personality, an unusual design, and a skillfully installed kitchen window with a backsplash made of lovely glass tiles. In addition to a bedroom suite with a king-size Sleep Number Premier air mattress and a distinctive window at the headboard, it boasts a front apron seat that welcomes users and a highly polished countertop. In addition to the master bath shower glass enclosure, an undermount porcelain sink with storage and a built-in safe for your valuables, there is a Samsung 4K LED TV opposite the bed, flanked by dual shirt wardrobes, and these features are all in the room. This RV is for someone who wants to live large and luxuriously. Number 4, 2023 Thor Tuscany Luxury RV, $474,999. The new Tuscany 45BX from Thor Motor Coach is a great option if you want to travel in comfort and take advantage of a variety of luxurious features. This Class A RV is like a mobile home. It has everything a large family could ever need and can accommodate up to 10 travelers. It has a flexible living room, a fully functional kitchen, bunk beds, 2 bathrooms, and a king-size bed in the bedroom. Number 3, 2023 Tiffin Allegro Bus Luxury RV, $590,341. This is one of the most technologically advanced coaches ever, elevating all of your travel experiences through the seamless fusion of luxury, elegance, and cutting-edge technology. Its power guide chassis guarantees a comfortable ride, and every vehicle is made safer by the standard on-guard active package with enhanced emergency braking and adaptive cruise control. The interior features a full range of luxurious amenities. The Mirror app puts the majority of your coach's system under your direct control on your smartphone. It boasts a music bar in the living room, an integrated spider multiplier system outside, handcrafted cabinetry that is all standard, and a kitchen with high-end appliances. These features, combined with the kitchen's spacious counter and storage areas, make nearly everything fun and simple. Number 2, 2023 Keystone Cougar 23 MLE, $51,240. This model is a new RV that will be launched in 2023 from the Keystone Company. The 5-wheels Cougar is a modified version with a rare kitchen that has a 12-foot refrigerator, a sizable pantry, and a sizable worktop. There is a sofa bed for extra guests, a booth dinette for game night, and a fantastic closet slide in the bathroom. There are also 2 lithium batteries, an outside kitchen solar inverter package, and a command auto level to give the device even more lovely finishing touches. Number 1, 2023 Newmar King Air, $1,662,324. The most luxurious coach, which doesn't compromise on anything and doesn't leave any details unattended, is the 2023 Newmar King Air. Every feature, function, and amenity is of the highest caliber because if you seek an extravagant life, there is just no other way to travel. It's like no other sensation to set foot inside a King Air. Each and every King Air is constructed around a basic K3 chassis with a steer tag axle. It's combined with numerous additional standard safety features, including its star foundation, Mobileye 2 lane departure, on-guard collision mitigation technology, and steering innovation comfort drive. There are 4 floor plans, all 45 feet in length, so you'll be able to find the King Air that fulfills your every wish. Okay, that's all for today, guys. If you found this video interesting, please take the time out to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well.